Products don't sell themselves, despite what you may have been told. Remember that show about that office? You know, the one with the annoying boss of a paper distribution company. Yeah, that one. Glad we're on the same page, if you'll excuse the paper-thin pun. Well, that company, although fictional, suffered financial difficulties and had to downsize. That could happen to any company. But it's much less likely to happen if your salespeople are actually performing well, rather than playing hilarious pranks on each other. This course is just one part of several modules that have been designed to help you as a sales rep or your staff improve on sales performance. It all starts with creating that important sales pipeline and covering things like defining a pipeline, the customer lifecycle, researching your audience, prospecting to generate leads, nurturing and qualifying those leads, and making a meeting plan to move sales along the pipeline. So, if you're ready to start making those sales flood in, let's get started on the pipeline. We'll bring the toolbox.